Today we are going to get unready. I have been in them streets. I worked all day, and then after work I had to go run errands, and girl, it's 9:30 at night. I'm tired. I have had a day. So like I said, I was thinking that we would get unready together, nice, cozy, no stress, just getting unready, me and you, at the end of a long day. So I'm in one of the bathrooms in my home upstairs. The lighting in here is not the best. I really did try. I've got 2 box lights out, but I don't know. It's just the best that I could do with the lighting. But in a way, it's okay because we are just in a mood where we need low lighting, right? We're Christmas shopping, and the traffic was awful. And I just want to bring it down, be calm, and remove my makeup. I'm so ready to get the makeup off. Let's get started by putting the hair away, moving it out the way with these little clips. There we go. So always double cleanse, right? Always double cleanse. I am starting with my favorite cleansing balm. It's by ELEMIS. This is the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. Looks like that. I've been using this for more years than I can tell you. It is a product that I purchased off of QVC. Why do I get it off of QVC? Because that's the best price. The way that I work it is whenever QVC has ELEMIS as a Today Special, doesn't really matter what the Today Special is, as long as it's an ELEMIS product. Whenever that happens, they put a lot of the different ELEMIS products on sale on the QVC website. And normally this product is 50% off. I'll go ahead and buy it at the 50% off price, but then I'll also get the, what is it called? It's when they automatically ship it to you. I can't remember what QVC calls it, but you get recurring shipments like every 3 months. I've had went on for 1 year. Another one I had went on for 2 years. So I got that 50% off price every 3 months for 2 years. This product, when I say it melts your makeup, it really and truly does a great job of getting all the makeup melted, all the mascara, all of the eyeshadow. Like, it really does a great job. Now we are all melted. I'll go ahead and get this removed and we'll move on to the next step. All right, here we are with all the makeup removed. You cannot tell me that this is not just the best feeling after a long day of going to work, running errands in those holiday streets. You cannot tell me this is just the best feeling after a really long day. Always, always double cleanse. This is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. All right, I just added a little water, and now, yes, that feels so good. Double cleansing is self-care. I always kind of get my edges in there just a little bit because we get makeup in our edges too. This feels so good. I've been waiting on this moment since like probably 6 o'clock when I was stuck in traffic. Oh, it just gets so crazy out there at holiday time, Next, we've got the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. This product will start us on our nighttime skincare routine. I really do enjoy these pads. The reason I love these pads is it's a gentle exfoliator. These pads gently exfoliate the skin, which of course gets rid of dead skin cells and improves the texture of your skin. It improves the tone of your skin. You know what? I may look tired during Vlogmas, but my skin won't look tired. This is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. We're going to use about 3 drops of this and get it all over the skin. This will have your skin, 1, 2, 3. This will have your skin looking so beautifully plump. This is one of my favorite products to use on my skin. You can see the difference even in this low lighting. You can see the difference of how really plump and juicy my skin looks. You don't need a lot. I wouldn't use more than 3 drops of this, but it really makes a difference. It really does. Now I'm going to seal everything in with my moisturizer. This is the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. This is thick, this is hydrating, and this is very, very necessary. My skin loves this stuff. One of the really fantastic things about this really, really hydrating, thick, extremely necessary cream is that it's also wonderful as an eye cream. So you don't have to buy 2 separate products. You can use this as your facial moisturizer, and also you can use it as your eye cream. I've got that all rubbed in on the lower half of my face. I'll go ahead and place some here on my forehead. And I like to take little dabs and place it right on my lid. We want to keep wrinkles away. We want to make sure that our lids are moisturized. Drag it out here to where you would have crow's feet, but we don't have crow's feet because we use this wonderful, thick, beautiful moisturizer. Get it all under your eyes. Just be careful not to get it inside of your eyes. This does the trick. This is also a product that I purchased from QVC. For the same exact reason, I get it 50% off, and I do the auto ship. That's what it's called, auto ship. So I'll get it at that discounted price of 50% off for at least a year. And I think they ship it like every 3 months. Beautifully plump, moisturized. It feels so good. And my skin feels so smooth, so nice. We cannot forget to moisturize the lips. This is the Too Faced Hangover Lip Balm Treatment, and it's in my favorite scent. I love it, Banana Kiss. Cannot forget to moisturize the lips. Girl, you know, wintertime I have your lips being very disrespectful, but we cannot have that. We want our lipstick and our lip gloss to go on nice and smooth and be beautiful. So no chapped lips over here, no ma'am, no ma'am. All right, y'all, my skin is clean, moisturized, and just looking so nice, plump, and juicy. Thank you so much for spending the night with me. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Vlogmas videos. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Bye-bye.